A lot of stuff to go through is this hands-on training. It's actually the first training for gate operators in Canada. I also want to thank the guys from Southwest Automated for coming up.
We're going to start off, just want to go over some of the basics on the operators. This is an SL90 DC operator. When you're looking at gate operators, there's two kinds. You have AC operators and DC. I can tell you right now, DC is by far the most popular option because it comes built-in battery backup. It's more popular, and they're still making them in big operators that will move big gates. So,
you guys operators, and you buy them, we'll email you guys the PDF of each manual. You've got it all there. You can see the standard, what size pad you need to use.
all of your measurements are off the center of the hinge, guys.
This will be your typical application.
If they're stainless steel, there's no way to grease them. There's no bearing, which means these wear out. These wear together. They cause more friction, which causes more resistance on the hinge.
This is a ball bearing hinge. You want a bearing hinge or a greasable hinge. So these measurements on your manual there, they're going to be based off the center of this pin housing. So D, the first thing off, and it's always off of the middle of your hinge point. From the center of that hinge point, 52 inches, I want to line up with the center of this pin. Those are the two main measurements you want to look at. Is your distance out from the center of the hinge and your distance to the side. We're going to run this out 90 degrees. Here, we've got 59 inches. Half of that is going to be your first bracket arm. Spin that wheel for me until this comes in line with my gate.
Everyone's clear, going to hit open. So the first time it's going to go half speed until it sees its limits. Once it knows its limits and it learns the limits, it'll go to full speed. We set the limits already. If it looks like it's going to overrun, and we can stop and reset it. So please, if you have questions, I don't care if you think it's a dumb question. I don't care if you think it doesn't actually pertain. Ask. I will get you the answer. So please, don't be shy.